Hello family, how are you all doing today? This is my Hack the Hustler section, but I'm on my personal page right now. I'm just going to share it into my Black Cleaners page. But this is what we're looking at right now. We're doing an upholstery and we're doing the rug also. I got my fam here. Shout out to Joy. Say what's up, Joy.
Hi, how are you?
So we're doing the upholstery cleaning. We're gonna do the rug, and I got a couple of other rugs on here. And then I also gotta do the pest control on this job. So, with that being said, I hate this thing, but you gotta do it for the customers, make the customers feel safe. But that's what I got going on today. Just trying to show you. Yeah, we're doing the family thing here, out here, trying to do this family business, and that's how it all starts. It starts with two people, and then you get some other people to get together and, you know, pool their skills together and grow the business. And then after that, you know, we'll have a nice little chunk of family, and we all making money together. You know what I'm saying? Because we're not gonna rob each other. We ain't gonna exploit each other. We just work together, and that's it. But as I said before, and I think I said it in one of my earlier videos, you know, one person can bat down 1,000, two people can bat down 10,000. How many people can bat? How many family members? I mean, how many can we bat down with the family working together to build a family infrastructure? That's what I'm on. That's what I'm going to keep trying to build and do until we all are working together. Working to help each other, build each other up. Alrighty. Well, let me get to work. I don't want to be sitting here just talking while she's doing all of the work. I got to get to do my work also. So, peace and blessings to everybody. Looking good, looking good. Peace, y'all.